Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off your notification on Instagram. Whether you need a break or want fewer distractions, this guide has got you covered. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to access the notification settings. And to do that, you have to open your Instagram profile by clicking on your Instagram app on your phone or tablet. I'm using a tablet for this tutorial, but it's the same as a phone, a regular phone. Now after you open your Instagram account, click on your profile picture to access your account right here, and then click on the three horizontal lines. Let's see here. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner right here, and choose the settings. From here you're gonna look for notification. Let's look for notification. You can either look for it manually or you can type it for easier access. You can type it in the search bar right here, like I'm gonna do now. Notification. This one right here. After this, you're gonna pause the notification using the pause all option to stop all notifications temporarily. Click on it right here, and you can choose a duration ranging from 15 minutes to 8 hours. I'm gonna click 1 hour right here. As you can see, it's loading. Now you can also customize notification. For a more tailored experience, toggle off specific notifications like likes, comments, uh, direct messages, etc. Now for additional tips, use your phone's settings to silence notifications entirely and regularly review notification settings to align them with your preference. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.